convention
in Sydney. Oh, what a stimulating and informative weekend that was.
Yes, and the company wasn't half bad. What are you doing in the jungles of Nicaragua, Esther?
I am trying to capture the footage of the mating ritual of the red-crested chaffinch for Nat Geo. You know, it's never been filmed before.
I know! I too am pursuing the chaffinch for my blog, birds.com.
I'm a subscriber.
That means so much to me.
Well, it's extraordinary.
The female chaffinch. No, oh, drat, so close, so close.
Reggie, your male chaffinch call is remarkable. I've mistakenly been tracking you for weeks.
Oh, Esther, you're just fluffing my feathers.
Oh, no. The way you undulate your uvula is very, pleasant. I think I'd rather photograph you than the chaffinch.
No, Esther, no! Esther, stop! I am not photogenic, please, Esther, please! You are too much. Your husband must go crazy with you away for weeks on end.
Mark and I are no longer together. Huh? He moved to Tanzania to film the hippopotami. Those dirty, muddy, four-legged creatures.
Oh, with plumage such as yours, you can't be tied down by a hippo, man.
A male chaffinch.
Oh, drats! Oh, drats, so close!
Yes!
Esther, your technique is stunning. I felt that call in my loins.
Who's fluffing whose feathers now?
Yes, Esther. Work it, girl, yes! Woo!
Okay, save it for the chaffinches. Speaking of which, is your wife Margaret flitting around perchance?
No, we are no longer an item. She went off to Antarctica to photograph the penguins.
Oh, flightless birds? How appealing.
Yes, an unnaturalness.
Well, it looks like we're both free
as birds. The red-crested chaffinch is both male and female.
I can't believe it. In the flesh and feather. They aren't mating, though.
No, they are communal maters. They must hear other birds mate in order to get into the mood.
How salacious.
They're doing it.
Oh, we should really be getting footage.
Yes, we really should.
We should really be filming
We
this.
really should.
We really should film it.